So the job I'm doing today is this customer has this pole barn, and they practice their dogs for dog sport, and they had this it's like a clay silt brought in, and it's super dusty and it just packs down real tight. So now I'm bringing in mason sand, about 30 ton of mason sand. The problem is they don't want to dump it out in the front because there's crushed limestone. They don't want that limestone mixed in with the mason sand. So they hired me because they knew I had a smaller dump truck that could get in here. But I'll show you that process because I just dumped this first load, and I realize now it's going to be it's going to be kind of a challenge getting it all dumped, because I can't just raise it up. I'm literally raising it in between the rafters just to get the truck high enough. And I'll show you that process, because now that I did one pile, I realized what I got myself into. And the whole reason they're doing this is to reduce the amount of dust and have a little better surface for their dogs to run on when they're practicing. So hopefully I don't make any mistakes or rip a rafter off the roof here, or run into the doorway. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.